Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect a Bluetooth keyboard or mouse on over to your LG TV. So the first thing you want to do is simply just turn this on. So if you flip it around, there's going to be a little on button. So let's switch this to the on position. And I can see it's turned on. Now press settings on your remote. And let's go to all settings right here since I got Game Optimizer open. So we can go to this. Then we want to go to the settings section. So here's general. Then go to the right and go down to external devices. Then we can see controllers, mouse, and the keyboard under here. So let's go to connect Bluetooth controller or device under here. So let's select this. Then you got to put your keyboard into the Bluetooth pairing mode. So it's probably going to be different for each one. You might have a little dongle. You just have to plug that into the back of the TV and you don't have to go to this section. But if you got a completely Bluetooth keyboard, mouse, you can see the Bluetooth button and then the FN key. You can press both those at the same time, hold those down, and then let go after like 5 seconds. And you can see it's going to be blinking. Just hit search on the screen now. So this should be searching for devices to connect to now. And you can see my Bluetooth keyboard is on here. So let's select it. And it should connect. You might have to type in this number and then press enter. So I have to press 7787. Then press enter. And my keyboard is now connected. So you're going to have your mouse, your keyboard all set up now. Or it could be an all-in-one device. So you got the trackpad over here, keyboard over here. Now what you could do with this is, if we press the home button here, I think it's this button. No, that doesn't do anything. Actually it does, brings me to the home screen. And then we can go on down to the web browser. So we got the web browser right here. Let's press enter on this. And then we can go up to the top. So I don't have a mouse connected, but I can use my cursor here. And then I can go to the plus icon. I can go to a new tab or something like that. And I can just start typing something in. So let's just go to this. Or I can go to the icon right here and then just type in www.n4g.com. This is newsforgamers.com. So the keyboard definitely does work if you're trying to type in something very easily. And then you got, this is a mouse too. I mean, this works pretty good as a mouse too, unless you got an all-in-one device. But very simple to connect it. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.